So here's the reason why I couldn't get a cold start this morning. But in good news, I'm building a 16-car detached garage next to the house. No, I'm just kidding, I wish. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in a different environment. As you can see here behind me, we're at my friend's shop. It's called Enthusiast Motorsport. I'll leave a link down below. If you're in the Melbourne area, he does a lot of different stuff. He does wraps, tints, works on cars, does maintenance, does all kinds of stuff. So check him out if you're in the area. He is gracious enough to let us use his lift today. America. We're installing an exhaust today from Integrated Engineering. So big shout out to them. We've already got their intake on Derek's SQ5. Now we're gonna be putting their Catback exhaust on his SQ5. The exhaust you can see here is in a couple pieces. We're gonna have a little bit of work to do today. Right now, we've already removed the engine cover and the heat shield, and we're working on getting these pesky bolts off that you guys know I love so much from my S4 exhaust install. I've already broken free these two on this side. Now we're gonna try to break free these two, and then we're gonna have to go underneath and get the other two. Once they're all free, we're gonna go ahead and start removing the exhaust. I wanted to make sure that these actually came off first before moving forward and starting pulling things off this car, because if the nuts are stuck on there, if they're seized, you're gonna have a bad day. All right, we're gonna keep going here. I'm gonna try to get these two off back here, and then we're gonna get this thing up in the air and go after the other ones. All right, guys, we got the top bolts undone. We just went ahead and removed the belly shield under here. Now we're gonna start pulling the exhaust off. Now's the fun part. I think what we're gonna do is start with the rear section. We're gonna go ahead right here where it meets, undo those clamps. There's a couple of exhaust hangers, and we're gonna pull out this entire rear section that goes all the way back. And then we will fit our hands up into there, get the bolts undone, and hopefully pull the front ones out with no issue. Check it out. So we have the rear section of the exhaust is off now. That was pretty easy work. And now Derek's trying to get the rear bolts out that are a giant pain in the butt. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll check back in here in a minute. All right, so two things. I moved the heat shield here. You can see it's loose. I loosened that and moved that out of the way so I could get the wrench through this hole here. And this is all you need. This 3 foot long, a bunch of extensions, breaker bar with a swivel head, and then a swivel head here at the end. And I was able to get off that last nut finally. All right, guys, we took a small break, saw some BMWs and a Lambo that are down the street here at a different shop. And now we've got the downpipes loosely in place. And I say downpipes because, well, they're coming down off of the downpipe. They're not actually downpipes. It's part of the Catback system. But you can see those are here and there, just kind of loosely in place. Nothing is tight yet. You don't really want to tighten anything until the end. Next step, we're gonna go ahead and assemble the rear section and get it all hung up and under the car. All right, guys, we have most of the exhaust in place. You can see here, goes back. We've got the muffler, resonator, whatever this is here. I think it's a resonator. And then back to there. So everything's kind of loosely in place right now. We need to get the hangers on, tighten all the clamps, and kind of just get everything ready to be tightened down. But before we do that, we got some lunch. So we're gonna eat. All right, we've got the car lowered down for hopefully the second to last time, the next time being the final time. And you can see here we are pretty much flush with the downpipe. We are just tightening these top 4 nuts, and then we're gonna go underneath and hit those other 2. And then it's just a matter of getting everything tightened underneath. And that's it. Then we'll get you guys a cold start and see how this thing sounds. All right, guys, we're done. Finally done. Overall, I think it took us 1, 2, 3, about 5 hours. I think IE quotes 3 to 5 hours. You can see everything is installed nice and tight. Everything is good. All the hangers, all the clamps, everything, all good. We do just need to put his like under shield, underbelly shield, whatever on, but that's not a big deal. We're gonna do that now. And then we're gonna go ahead and start it up. We're done, and it's time for a cold start, and then we're gonna check for any exhaust leaks. Here we go. All right, so we checked it for leaks. We're all good. We're gonna get a couple revs here. All right, guys, so a little bit of a delay. The SQ5 was stuck in jack mode. We still don't really know how to get it out of jack mode, but it kind of came out on its own. We turned the car off and on a couple times, drove it, parked it, and then he started it and it went out of jack mode. So here it is, out of jack mode. Now we're gonna go get some sound clips, so hang tight. All right, so you saw it revving. Now we're gonna get an acceleration and a little bit of a drive-by too. That sounds like doo-doo. Guys, we're back home, we're done. I'm gonna go inside and eat something and shower, relax. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you like the way the thing sounds. I think it sounds pretty sweet. I got to listen to it on the way home as well, and it sounded really good. Again, big shout out to Integrated Engineering for joining up with me again and hooking up Derek with an exhaust for the SQ5. It sounds really good. You guys did a really good job. Don't forget to use my discount code Wobblenuts. If it changes for whatever reason, I'll update that in the description. But for now, the discount code is Wobblenuts. Save yourself some money on integrated parts. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, all the regular stuff. And until next time, see you guys later.